Now that is a really nice charger for the money. Watch a video to find out more, guys. Hello, welcome back to RC Workshop, guys. We have got an awesome little charger on the bench, courtesy of GT Power. Link in the description to this one below. This is an absolute little beastie of a charger. 300 watts, straight in there. Before we open it, let's check out what we got on the box. So you got a built-in tyre warming mechanism and servo tester and motor function. That's going to be interesting to see what that is. If I can test my servos on the charger before putting them in the car, that'd be great. Battery repair function, battery count timer, so you can count how many times the particular battery's been charged. Battery warming feature. Also, according to the box, you can connect your cell phone to control as well. Loads of additional features along the bottom, confirming that servo test feature there. Let's get this thing open and have a look at it. Here we go then, guys. Straight in the box, what have we got? Nice big charger brick at the top there. Little cardboard shelf for that to sit on. Underneath that we have power brick, power block, manual. Let's have a little look. So your manual, instructions, how to do it. I've used enough chargers to pretty much know, but always recommend you have a look through that. And then the other thing I recommend before you even decide to charge a LiPo battery is having a LiPo safe bag, and even to hand a fire extinguisher just in case, which I always have got right next to me on the stairs on the way out of the man cave. Right, let's have a look at this. Straight there into the charger. Wow, it feels heavy, guys. There's a lot of features in this just by the weight of it. There we go, got a little temp sensor. You've got a 12 volt DC input if you want to charge off your real car or a 12 volt battery. Then you've got your cells up to 2, up to 8S. Your AC input, which is 100 volts to 240 volts. And then your output for your battery, which is a XT60 connector. I've made a little conversion piece for this, so that I don't really run XT60s, but I run Deans. So I've got a little converter in there like so. Let's fire this puppy up and see what it looks like on camera. Rightio then, guys, so let's fire this thing up. There is no additional switches on it to turn it on, so as soon as you plug your power cable in, it will power up like so. Get a nice little digital readout screen there, blue and black. I don't know what's going on with my camera here, not picking it up, but you got lithium battery mode, NiCad and NIM mode, lead acid, DJI Phantom mode. I'm guessing that's important for DJI Phantom owners because I think there's a specific battery type. User program cell meter, program select extended function, save data and load data. These are you can save data and load data once you've charged a few batteries up and you know the way you want to charge them. Come on, stop zooming out. Anyway, so let's charge a lithium battery. So for this, we're going to choose lithium battery mode, which is LiPo. Press enter. Obviously, Lipo Charge that we want to do, but you've got the option to balance, storage mode, repair mode, discharge mode. So we're going to choose charge, enter. Then LiPo is 2200, so that's 2.2. You can hold them down to move the values faster. Enter. And then it's a 3-cell LiPo, 3S, 11 volt. Enter. And then what we're going to do is make sure our LiPo is safe in that bag before we press start. So with the LiPo in your LiPo bag, you hold the start button down, like so. Confirm, 3S, 3S, enter. And that's charging now, literally. Not to mention, guys, you've got a nice big cooling fan on the top there as well. It's just reminding you it's a 3S, how long it's been on charge for, and what the current voltage is, and the ampage that it's charging at. If you do press right as well, it gives you additional statuses like your cell balance. This is really important. I always go straight to cell balance, guys, because you want to know that your cells aren't that far out on balancing. If they are far out, that's really dangerous and your battery's running unhealthy or something's discharging it unhealthily. And that is the additional information. So you got fuel, so how long's left to charge, 67% full, and each cell is at 3.86 volts. There we go then, guys. I'll leave that to charge. Once this is charged, I'll show you some additional features because I'm looking forward to trying the servo feature on this charger. I ain't got a servo tester in the man cave anywhere. I did have one, I can't find it. Be interesting to know what this servo tester does. Right then, so that's our 3S battery completely charged and stored safely away, so that can come out now. By the way, guys, there's your balance on the side there. On this side, you've got a temperature sensor, or looks like a temperature sensor. That's also where you plug the servo. So, like so, in there, there's only one way round you can put it. Other than that, the negative wire goes closest to the port. And then, if you can see this screen, hopefully, there you go. You've got, keep scrolling across. You've got your program select extended functions. Motor run. Now, motor run will, if you plug this back into the side there and attach a motor to this, you can actually run in brushed motors from this device, which is a nice little touch, I think. You can set your parameters on your motor, the ampage and the voltage that you want to go through the motor. Not going to do that one today, but it's nice to know that feature's there. This is the one, I think it is CCCV out. We just look. No, it isn't. I'm wrong. I'm not sure what that one is. Let me know in the comments below if you do know. You got tyre warmer as well. Your tyre warmer will also come out of this. You can warm your tyres up at the track if needs be. Nice little feature. You don't see that in small chargers. And then, so we go across to servo test. So there's various tests you can run. So if you press enter on this and across, oh, there you go, like so. Hold enter down. Then, there you go. The servo, by the way, guys, in this is unwell. It still works, but you hear it. And then you can press auto 2, so it makes it go faster. And then 3, like so. Just testing the parameters of that servo. And what you can do is manually up and down as well, so you can actually center the servo in the car. So if you wanted to center your servo, you would put it in this first, center it, then put it in the car. So to save having to take the servo out back and forth. I like that feature a lot, guys. That is great out of a small charger like this. What else can I show you on here? While we're in these extended parameters, let's have a look. Don't know why my camera keeps doing that to the screen, but still. Let's finish this one. Stop. Extended functions, enter. So we've got your servo thing that I was just doing. Oops. Your motor run. Your CCCV out. I'm not sure what that one is, guys. I'm sorry. Your tyre warmer. Your servo tester. Your motor run. Some nice little additional features there, guys. Like I say, I am really impressed with the charger. It's got a nice high tone as well to let you know when the batteries are fully charged. I like that fan. That doesn't kick in for a while because it's a high wattage charger, so it's not straining to charge batteries. In all fairness though, I was charging that little Lipo there only at 2.2 amps. This thing does actually really go up some on the ampage for the battery. Let's go to Lipo. You can't see that, sorry. Let's go to Lipo. Charge and see what ampage you can go up to. You can charge all the way at 12 amps, guys, if you so need to. I wouldn't recommend it though, guys. Always charge on a slower basis and your battery will live a healthier, longer life. Yeah, I'm really impressed with it, guys. It's a nice little charger. So another little closer look round that. Let's say nice size, just bigger than the palm of your hand, really. Nice to put in your pit bag if you want to go 12 volt at the track or out of the side out of your car battery. Really impressed with it, guys. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.